Now visit our factory, block machine customer, concrete material factory. 好。This is sand for produce blocks. This is stone power, or you can use small stones to produce blocks. This is the cement silo, storage bulk cement for produce blocks. This is the wheel loader. This wheel loader there is sand and stone power into the batching machine. This is the steel supporter put on the stacking area, then blocks in pallets put on the side. Then use a forklift deliver those blocks one time, cheaper and faster. This is a stacker. It could stack blocks in layer just like this. This is a block receiver. It could deliver blocks from machine to the stacker work area. This is a color feeder. It could put color feeds on the paving bricks. This is a host block machine. It could produce hollow blocks, solid blocks, paving bricks, and hoodies, curb stones. This is the pallet feeding machine. This machine could put pallet into the block machine pallet box automatic. This is conveyor, deliver the concrete into the block machine hopper. This is a mixer, mixing different materials, then produce concrete. That one, it is a cement screw conveyor. It could deliver the cement from the cement silo into the mixer. This is a water tank, supply water for the mixer. This is the cement silo, storage bulk cement for produce blocks. This is conveyor. It could deliver the conformed ratio material into the mixer. This is a batching machine. This machine could storage different materials, and then this hopper could put different materials as per ratio you setting.